Good day everyone and welcome to King David's tutorial. I still remain your coach, Mr. David. Today we'll be looking at something very important and vital, and it's one of the fundamentals of mathematics. It is called algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Now, algebraic is written from the word algebra. From the word what? Algebra. Now, what is algebra? An algebra is any mathematical expression that consists of both digits and alphabets. Example, we have 5a. 5 is a digit, right? And a is an alphabet. So 5a is an algebra. Alright, now let's look at types of algebra, or rather types of algebraic expressions. Now there are basically three types of algebraic expressions. Number one, linear equation. Now this goes, example of linear equation is 5x minus 10 is equal to 15. 5x minus 10 is equal to 15. Now, how do you know a linear equation? Number one, it has just one variable. One what? Variable. Now, what is a variable? A variable in mathematics is referred to as that thing, that term which is being looked out for, and is usually represented with alphabets. X here is a variable. Are we good? Alright. So now in solving this, it's just very simple. You collect like terms and you solve. We'll go into collection of like terms in our next episode. Now number two, we have the simultaneous equations, and it goes like this. Example of this is this. Now, this is an example of simultaneous equation. Now, let's compare it with the linear equation. Are there any differences? Yes. Number one, linear equation has one variable, whereas simultaneous equation has two variables, the x and the y. Difference number one. Number two, simultaneous equation has two equations. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2, whereas linear has just one equation. Now, simultaneous equations can be solved using any of these four methods. Number one, we have elimination method. Number two, substitution method. Number three, we have the Cramer's method. And then number four, the matrix method. Alright. Now these two methods are for secondary school level, while these two are maybe for further math or advanced levels. Now, the third type of algebraic expression is the quadratic equation. Now, example of this is this. Alright, 3x squared plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. Now, let us compare it to the previous types of equations. Now, just like the linear equation, it has only one variable, x. But then, one of the variable has the power of 2. X raised to the power 2. The second x doesn't have any power. Then this last term here is a constant. It has no variable. Now, any number without a variable is known as the constant. Now, when you have something of this nature, it can be m, it can be any alphabet can be used. But then when you have a variable with a power of 2, another variable without any power, and a constant, then it is a quadratic equation. And we have 4 methods of solving this as well. Number 1, we have the factorization method. Number 2, we have Alright, we have 4 different methods of approaching quadratic equation. Number 1, factorization method. Number 2, quadratic formula method. Now, number 3, completing the square method. And now number 4 is the graphical method. Alright, now we will look at these methods subsequently in our next episodes. Thank you so much and stay tuned. Invite your friends to like, you can share, and then drop any questions of your choice. Any question that has been bothering you in mathematics, and I promise to give you a prompt response to it. Thank you so much.